Warm greetings to all viewers tuning into our channel for the first time, and a hearty welcome back to our regular followers. Our mission here is to guide you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle by providing nutritious recipes, exercise advice, and the motivation you need to stay active. We encourage you to engage with us. Like our content, share our videos, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Stay tuned as we delve into today's exciting content. Rise and shine. It's time to kickstart your day with a power-packed breakfast. Today we're crafting a simple yet nutritious dish: fried eggs with avocado. Let's dive right in. We begin with the hero of our dish, the humble egg. Rich in protein and packed with essential nutrients, eggs are an excellent way to start your day. To prepare, crack 2 eggs into a bowl, season with a pinch of salt and pepper, and whisk until well combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, and pour in the egg mixture. As the eggs start to set, gently stir to create that fluffy texture we all love. Now let's bring in our second star ingredient, the avocado. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Split a ripe avocado in half and remove the pit. With a spoon, gently scoop out the flesh and slice it into thin pieces. These creamy slices will add a wonderful contrast to our fluffy eggs. While the eggs are still slightly runny, add the avocado slices on top. Lower the heat and cover the pan for a minute or two, allowing the residual heat to slightly warm the avocado, and finish cooking the eggs. To finish off, sprinkle some freshly chopped chives or parsley over the top for a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor. Remember, herbs are not just garnishes, they carry potent antioxidants and add a unique taste to every dish. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious breakfast to fuel your day. This simple yet nutrient-dense dish is a great way to start your morning. It's full of protein from the eggs, healthy fats from the avocado, and a burst of flavor from the fresh herbs. It's a breakfast that not only tastes great, but also supports your journey towards healthier living. So why wait? Get your pans ready and start your day with this power-packed breakfast. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. Enjoy. Now that we've had a hearty breakfast, let's move on to a refreshing lunch recipe. Today, we're preparing a grilled chicken salad with a delightful yogurt sauce. This dish is not only delicious, but is also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized and satisfied until dinner. First, let's start with the star of our dish, the chicken. We'll marinate the chicken in a blend of spices, olive oil, and lemon juice. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. The spices and lemon not only add flavor but also provide antioxidants that help protect our bodies from harmful free radicals. Next, we will grill the chicken to perfection. Grilling is a healthier cooking method as it allows excess fat to drip away from the meat. Plus, it gives the chicken a fantastic smoky flavor that's hard to resist. While the chicken is grilling, let's prepare the salad. We'll use a mix of fresh greens like spinach, arugula, and romaine lettuce. These greens are high in fiber and low in calories, making them perfect for those who are watching their weight. They also provide a good amount of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. To add some crunch and additional nutrients to our salad, we'll include some sliced cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. Cucumbers are hydrating and help flush out toxins from the body, while cherry tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Now let's move on to our yogurt sauce. This sauce adds a creamy and tangy element to our salad, creating a beautiful balance of flavors. We'll mix some Greek yogurt, garlic, and fresh herbs. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, promoting gut health. Garlic boosts immunity and heart health, while fresh herbs like dill and parsley add a burst of flavor and provide additional health benefits. Finally, we'll top our salad with the grilled chicken and drizzle it with our homemade yogurt sauce. Voila, a light yet satisfying lunch that's sure to keep you energized for the rest of the day. This grilled chicken salad with yogurt sauce is a testament that healthy food can indeed be flavorful and enjoyable. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and let's continue on this journey to a healthier you. As the day winds down, it's time to prepare a wholesome dinner. Now, let's move on to a dinner that's not only satisfying for your taste buds but also nourishing for your body. We're talking about a classic, grilled steak with steamed vegetables. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the steak. We're going for a lean cut, which is lower in fat but still rich in flavor. It's also packed with protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. To grill the steak, we'll simply season it with some salt and pepper, then cook it on a hot grill for a few minutes on each side, until it's perfectly done to your liking. While our steak is grilling, let's turn our attention to the vegetables. we're going for a colorful mix of broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. These vegetables are not only visually appealing but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Broccoli, for instance, is a powerhouse of nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for eye health. Bell peppers, on the other hand, are a fantastic source of vitamin C and antioxidants. To steam the vegetables, we'll place them in a steamer basket over a pot of boiling water. We'll cover the pot and let the vegetables steam until they're tender, but still vibrant and crunchy. Steaming is a great way to cook vegetables as it retains most of their nutrients, unlike other cooking methods that may strip them of their nutritional value. Once our steak and vegetables are ready, we'll plate them up. A beautifully grilled steak next to a pile of brightly colored, perfectly steamed vegetables. It's a sight to behold, isn't it? But we're not done yet. To bring all the flavors together, we'll drizzle some olive oil over the steak and vegetables. Olive oil is not just a tasty addition, but it's also loaded with heart-healthy fats. And finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will add a zesty freshness that balances out the richness of the steak. This dinner is not just a feast for the eyes, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and it's low in unhealthy fats. It's a meal that will leave you feeling satisfied without weighing you down. It's the perfect way to end your day, knowing that you've nourished your body with wholesome, nutritious food. So, next time you're wondering what to have for dinner, why not give this grilled steak with steamed vegetables a try? It's easy to make, delicious, and most importantly, it's good for you. And there you have it, a hearty dinner to end your day on a healthy note. And just like that, we've prepared a day's worth of nutritious meals. From dawn till dusk, we've got you covered with tasty, wholesome dishes that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also fuel your body in the best possible way. We began our day with a hearty breakfast of fried eggs paired with creamy avocado slices. This combination of proteins and healthy fats is an excellent way to kickstart your metabolism and keep you energized throughout the morning. Moving on to lunch, we prepared a mouth-watering grilled chicken salad topped with a tangy yogurt sauce. This dish is a perfect blend of lean protein, fresh veggies, and probiotics, ensuring a balanced meal that's low in calories yet high in nutrients. As the day winds down, we served up a dinner of succulent grilled steak accompanied by an array of steamed vegetables. This meal is a powerhouse of protein and fiber, aiding in muscle recovery and keeping your digestive system in check. Remember, these are not just meals but steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Each dish we've prepared today is a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. It's all about balance, creativity, and using ingredients that nourish your body and soul. We encourage you to try these recipes, tweak them to your liking, and share your experiences. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, every attempt is a step closer to a healthier lifestyle. We'd love to hear about your journey, your triumphs, and even your challenges. So, don't hesitate to drop us a line in the comments section. Your stories inspire us, and your feedback helps us create content that better serves your needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey to health. Your dedication to improving your well-being is commendable, and we're thrilled to be a part of it. So, until next time, stay healthy and happy, and remember, every day is a new opportunity to make choices that nourish and honor your body. Thank you for joining us on this journey to health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.